Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to adjust brightness in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To adjust brightness in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can use several methods depending on your needs. Now, one of the best options is going to the effects panel. If you can't find the effects panel, go to the Windows, click the effects, or pressing the Shift plus 7 on your keyboard. From here, type in lighting right here and drag the lighting effect to the video or the photo. For example, for the video, what will happen is you see there's kind of like a spotlight here that was shown. If you hover down below to the effects, you see you have like lights 1 to 5. All right, you can go to the light 1, which has the spotlight, and you can choose the directional. You see that it's too much, right? What you can do to kind of like decrease the brightness, all you're gonna do is go to the intensity. You can drag it all the way down. You see that? The lightness according to your preference. I believe this is kind of like the ideal color that I wanted, right? And then again to the lighting effect, I'm gonna drag in that to my photo. You see this? Same spotlight has shown. Go into the light, I'm gonna click the directional, and from here I'm going to make it like darker. I'm adjusting it to make it a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do is decrease the intensity right here. So I kind of have like the white and black effect to my video. Now I'm gonna play it as it is to see if I have achieved the desired effect. All right. Now, these are going to be some of the main ways to adjust brightness in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, another option that you can do to create a basic correction is go to the Windows right here, click the Lumetri. All right, something would appear here. Now, for example, we're going to be choosing the video. All I have to do is to increase the brightness right here. You see this intensity? You can decrease it down to whatever you wanted. Sharpen, click the vibrance, and a lot more. You also have that option to the photo, and from there all I have to just click on save and export it to a different file formats that you wanted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.